Okay, something happening. Yeah, I like this. It's really cool.
No, I sound good, but now I sound better.
Hva er det da?
Sick. Cool.
Ooh.
Far ég að tala ensku í þessum myndbandi? Ég ekki að fara að gera það, sko. Wow, it's very responsive.
Wave is a wearable MIDI controller. It's a ring that lets you easily control sound, shape effects, and send commands with the motion of your hand. It's wireless with no external sensors, and you can still use both hands freely while wearing it. It's a standalone hardware that connects via Bluetooth to all the major music programs and mobile applications. You can also connect Wave with your modular setup using Wavefront, our Eurorack receiver. Use the buttons to control Wave, like whether it's on or off, or which signals to send out. Wave offers you 5 completely programmable ways to control it. Change effects with motion, like pan, tilt, and roll. Use the buttons to send commands, or tap any surface to trigger notes or samples. We've been working on Wave for the past 3 years now, in close collaboration with musicians. And we're almost there. We found a great manufacturing partner, and we're putting the finishing touches on this, the final version of Wave, which includes all the juicy hardware that we've tested with hundreds of people and that's been used live on stage. But it also features a slick look and gives you even more control. So with your help and support, we can mass produce Wave and get it into the hands of people making music all over the world before the end of the year. So please, help us make Wave a reality.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available at leading retailers. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Hey guys, this is Nazim Khan and you're watching channel Zim Technology. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो आपके बहुत ही काम की होने वाली है क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ एडेप्ट डेस्क के बारे में। आजकल के डेली और बिजी लाइफ में फ्री लोग बहुत कम रहते हैं और मैक्सिमम लोग अपने काम को कंफर्टेबल वे में ही करना चाहते हैं, बट आप लेट कर लैपटॉप में प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं कर सकते हो। एंड एडेप्ट डेस्क इज द बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस सिचुएशन। ये डेस्क वुडन की बनी हुई है जिसको आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग किसी भी साइज में सेट कर सकते हो, जिससे कि आप लेट कर भी इजीली लैपटॉप पर वर्क कर सकते हो। टॉप एज में हुक की हेल्प से ये किसी भी लैपटॉप को इजीली हैंग कर देता है और इसके दोनों साइड में एक एक्स्ट्रा माउस पैड और बॉटल लगाने की भी जगह दी गई है।
How to keep a perfectly organized suitcase and not to forget the essentials for traveling when packing so many different things. Vasco packing cubes and bags. 7 unique bags with the highest number of valuable features that will make your trip incredibly easy. Different size packing cubes with the unique compression zippers help reduce space in the luggage by 60%. Your shoes can travel neatly separated from clothes and other things. Special material absorbs odors. Vasco Cosmetics bag compactly encloses personal care products for traveling, and it is easy to place the bag even in the smallest bathroom. Electronics bag is a great solution for the problem of multiple tangled cables, chargers and other accessories. The cables are neatly stacked, will never get tangled or damaged. With the travel wallet, you won't need to search for your ticket, passport or the boarding pass anymore. Vasco keeps things organized and make your travel convenient. Helps quickly find everything you need in your luggage. You will unpack luggage 4 times faster than usual, saving 60% of the space. Waterproof material will keep your things safe from liquids, while special design will keep your belongings in a perfect condition. Vasco. Convenient travel.